Manila. At kasalukuyan meron tayong Philippine Sports Writers Forum ginaganap, ano? Ginaganap ang sports forum dito sa conference room, ano? Conference room ng Rizal Memorial Complex at ang guest dito ay no other than Fritz Gaston, ano? Fritz Gaston is the one of the commissioners who handles the indigenous people tournament, ano? Gagawin po dito sa Mindanao.
How important it is. Medyo
Commissioner Gaston at nag-deliver ng kanyang feats, ano? So actually, yung according to the press release, the Philippine Sports Commission o PSP will hold the 3 regional legs of the indigenous people o IP Games this year, starting with the Visayas leg at Iloilo City and with the possible hosting of Ilocos Norte for the Luzon leg. Mindanao leg will be hosted by municipality of Buenavista, Agusan del Norte under the incumbent mayor Jose Litor P. Roble at with the full-hearted support of the provincial government of Agusan del Norte under Governor Maria Angelis Rosedel Amante. So the PSC has been ongoing the IP Games since 2018 as part of its mandate and aim at showcasing and preserving the traditional sports games. Among the more popular ones are pana, kadang-kadang, trumpo, and sibat. Yan ang mga primitive games. Ano? So this year's Mindanao leg will be highlighted by the Indigenous Peoples Month celebration that it's commemorated annually in the month of October. Part of the program is the IP Forum, a public discussion on the importance of IP communities and the need to promote local culture, particularly to the younger generation. So in this leg, the LCIPPCL will have their IP address, which will discuss the milestone of its IP communities in the region and also address the challenges faced by its group. So to cut it short, the Commissioner Edward L. Hayco will grace the event as the representative of the Philippine Sports Commission, together with Mayor Roble and Governor Amante as honorable guests at the opening ceremonies for IP Games Mindanao edition. So ito ay gagawin October 11 to 12, 2025 dito sa Buenavista, Agusan del Norte. So yun nga, ang 11 cities, municipalities sa Agusan del Norte, Nasipit, Las Nieves, Buenavista, Cabadbaran City, Carmen, Habonga, Tubay, Santiago, Quicharao, Remedio, T. Romualdez, RTR, and Butuan City. So yun Tapos yung part 2 nito, yan nga, yung mga Wushu group, ano, na magsasagawa rin to ng Wushu dito tournament. Alam mo yung Wushu, yung parang yung espada ba, ng pagkano, no? So yun, nagagawin sa 2027 pa, no? Anyway, yung preparation ay still ongoing. So nandun pa sila ngayon at ongoing pa yung Wushu group, dinidiscuss yung mga dapat discussin, yung mga plans nila na gagawin. So yun muna siguro at later on may part 2 ko, no? May part 2 ko na report tungkol naman dito sa naganap na press con doon naman sa lungsod ng Quezon. Siguro mamaya forward ko yung report na which is very important, ano? So mula sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum, Edmund Samaniego Pangilinan reporting.
old friends, di ba? Parang it's a reunion here at the PSA Forum. So, second part natin, the World Wushu Championships to be hosted by the Philippines in 2027. So we'll be having Sir Julian Camacho, Sir Freddy Halasco, and Carlos Bailon, ang ating champion sa Wushu. But
just to again give you a hope how important it is, medyo ang gusto
Ochoa. Salamat po, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, Milo Philippines, SMART, PLDT, Sanigan Corporation, at Milo at Arena Plus.
yes, salamat. And this time, the Philippine Sports Commission program for the Indigenous Peoples Games resume, and we are having actually the second leg, supposedly the second leg, the Mindanao leg. So, in charge po of this project, we are so honored to have here with us Commissioner Fritz Gaston in this PSA Forum. Welcome back, Commissioner. Magandang araw po.
Magandang araw, Randy, tsaka ang ating mga kaibigan sa press. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. At ito ay kinagagalak.
And ito nga, magsisimula
Na nagkabunga after your mga efforts in
actually, we've gone a long way from 2016. Ito kami nag